Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences for speaking English at a party. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is hey, how is it going? Hey, how is it going? Second sentence is this is a great party. This is a great party. Third sentence is thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. Fourth sentence is do you know many people here? Do you know many people here? Fifth sentence is what have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? Sixth sentence is have you tried the food yet? Have you tried the food yet? Seventh sentence is this drink is really good. Do you know what's in it? This drink is really good. Do you know what's in it? Eighth sentence is have you met the hostess yet? Have you met the hostess yet? Ninth sentence is what kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Tenth sentence is I love this song. Do you know who sings it? I love this song. Do you know who sings it? 11th sentence is have you been to any good parties lately? Have you been to any good parties lately? 12th sentence is do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? 13th sentence is this is such a fun crowd. This is such a fun crowd. 14th sentence is have you been to this venue before? Have you been to this venue before? 15th sentence is what do you think of the decorations? What do you think of the decorations? 16th sentence is I really like your outfit. I really like your outfit. 17th sentence is are you from around here? Are you from around here? 18th sentence is have you tried the cake yet? Have you tried the cake yet? 19th sentence is this is such a lively atmosphere. This is such a lively atmosphere. 20th sentence is have you been to any concerts or shows lately? Have you been to any concerts or shows lately? 21st sentence is do you want to play a drinking game? Do you want to play a drinking game? 22nd sentence is I heard there's going to be a special performance later. Are you excited? I heard there's going to be a special performance later. Are you excited? 23rd sentence is what's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? 24th sentence is do you want to take a group photo? Do you want to take a group photo? 25th sentence is this is such a cool venue. This is such a cool venue. 26th sentence is have you been to any good bars or clubs lately? Have you been to any good bars or clubs lately? 27th sentence is what's your favorite party game? What's your favorite party game? 28th sentence is this is such a friendly crowd. This is such a friendly crowd. 29th sentence is do you want to make a toast? Do you want to make a toast? 30th sentence is have you been to any good festivals or events lately? Have you been to any good festivals or events lately? 31st sentence is this is such a festive atmosphere. This is such a festive atmosphere. 32nd sentence is what's your favorite type of drink? What's your favorite type of drink? 33rd sentence is do you want to try the karaoke machine? Do you want to try the karaoke machine? 34th sentence is have you been to any good comedy shows lately? Have you been to any good comedy shows lately? 35th sentence is this is such a great time. This is such a great time. 36th sentence is what's your favorite type of food? What's your favorite type of food? 37th sentence is do you want to take a group selfie? Do you want to take a group selfie? 38 sentences. Have you been to any good art exhibits or museums lately? Have you been to any good art exhibits or museums lately? 39 sentences. This is such a fun night. This is such a fun night. 40th sentences. What's your favorite type of party? What's your favorite type of party? 41st sentences. Do you want to try the photo booth? Do you want to try the photo booth? 42nd sentences. Have you been to any good concerts or shows lately? Have you been to any good concerts or shows lately? 43rd sentences. This is such a lively party. This is such a lively party. 44th sentences. What's your favorite type of drink? What's your favorite type of drink? 45th sentences. Do you want to try the games in the corner? Do you want to try the games in the corner? 46th sentences. Have you been to any good sporting events lately? Have you been to any good sporting events lately? 47th sentences. This is such a great celebration. This is such a great celebration. 48 sentences. What's your favorite type of snack? What's your favorite type of snack? 49 sentences. Do you want to try the milkshakes? Do you want to try the milkshakes? 50th sentences. This is such a memorable party. This is such a memorable party. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.